Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike, and if this is the first time you're coming on this channel or you stumble on this channel, thank you for coming across me the way I do anyways. So today we're talking about hair, and I know I've not talked to you guys, I've not shown you guys or discussed progress report for my hair on all the products that I've been using. So today we're going to do that. One of the things that I do for my hair to help grow, especially my edges, and to help me retain the length on my hair. So that's what we are doing today. And guys, if this is like I said, if this is the first time, please, if you like what you're watching, please subscribe and turn on the notification button and also the bell so that you know when next I drop the new video. And also for those that have been here before and you have not subscribed, please help the ministry, help to subscribe. It will really help me to know that what I'm doing, you guys love it and you will love to see more. So thank you. And also, if you're not following me on any of the social media platform, I will put them up here so you can just follow me and subscribe. On my Instagram, I talked about my fashion and lifestyles, and on my Twitter, I talk randomly about everything that is fun and makes people smile. And also I have a blog, which I think I'm going to put up here as well. I haven't done a lot on my blog of recent, but I think I want to go back and start blogging all over again. So thank you guys. I'm going to be talking about hair mask. You know what I do at least once a month. I put a hair mask on my hair just to help me retain the length, to prevent breakage, to prevent dandruff, just to moisturize my hair and my scalp as a whole. So today I'm sharing one of those ingredients or those items with you. Not one, but the mixture of a lot of different items. So I'm going to be sharing that with you today so that you guys can see how this works and how it has helped me. But for some, I think my hair, the edges are going back. It's not where I want them to be yet, but there are a lot of difference now from what it used to be when I started a couple of months back. And those white stuff that you're seeing is aloe vera. I put a little bit of aloe vera juice on my hair when I was going for my walk, and that's why I look like this. I just came back from my walk, so don't mind this look. This is not the usual way I look, but I guess for the purpose of what we're doing today, we don't really necessarily have to look all that perfect. So thank you guys, and let's go to the kitchen where I'll show you how I put together all those ingredients to help me grow my edges and to moisturize my hair. Okay, so guys, these are the ingredients we are going to need. We need the avocado oil, aloe vera juice, 1 avocado. I actually end up using 2 avocado, jojoba butter, and 1 egg, extra virgin olive oil. We mix everything together and blend them together. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you some of the benefits of the stuff we are using for our hair. For the avocado, avocado helps us, the oil itself helps reduce dandruff, prevents breakage. Detangling helps to detangle the hair and protect our hair from damage, from any chemical damage. Also, the avocado fruit itself helps to promote hair growth, moisturizes our hair, and prevents dandruff. Olive oil. This time around, we're gonna need the extra virgin olive oil, which means it's the organic one. There is no chemical or it's not been heated, so that's why we need the extra virgin olive oil. So the extra virgin olive oil helps to prevent split ends, strengthens and shine and give the hair some shine, and it also prevents dandruff. Eggs helps us to prevent breakage and increase hair growth. So the jojoba butter helps us to treat any dry scalp. So if your scalp is treated, then there will be less dandruff. It helps to prevent breakage as well. So when the hair is not dry, there will be no breakage. So these are some of the benefits of the ingredients we are using and for our hair. So right now I'm just mixing everything together in the blender. I actually made a mistake while I was doing this, guys. I didn't blend it very well, so I end up having a lot of particles from the avocado on my hair. You guys are going to see it at the end of this video. You will see what my hair looks like. So if you're doing this, make sure it's well blended, so to prevent any form of chaff or particles from the avocado or even the avocado juice, or the aloe vera juice, I mean. So this is what it looks like after I blended it. So now it's almost time for us to apply it to my hair. Guys, don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, ask questions. I'm always here to answer all your questions. So now I'm just getting everything together. See, guys, this is the type of consistency you need. And now it's time to apply it to the hair. I don't know what I was saying here, but I'm sure you guys don't need to you don't need to hear it. So I'm just going to apply the product to my hair right now. I'm going to divide my hair into sections to make it easy for the application. You see, guys, the reason why I didn't kind of like detangle my hair before applying it is because that's the job of the product we are using. This is high protein mixture. This products that I mix together, they are so rich in protein and amino acids. So yeah, you guys can see the particles already. I don't know what I did, but just didn't blend very well. So that's one section of the hair. I'm going to make sure it's well saturated, well lathered, well evenly coated with the paste, so that I can do the work we want it to do. This is really this one thing that has really helped me to prevent breakage, because my hair breaks a lot because of dryness. I have 4C hair, and 4C hair, they break a lot. So this particular method or mixture has really helped me to prevent all those breakages. So guys, you want to try this at least maybe twice a month or once a month at least, if you don't have time, because it's a lot of work, I know. So after applying, I'm going to twist the hair and go to the next one. Look at how dark I am because of the sun. Yeah. So now I'm going to go to the next portion and do the same, repeat the same process. I think I'm just going to speed up the process so that you guys can watch. I'm just going to shut up and allow you guys to watch. My orchid flower is trying to make an appearance. Oh guys, I'm telling you, I didn't blend this thing very well, so it gave me a lot of problems after. But I actually did the work that I wanted to do, so I think that's the most important part of it. You guys should seriously try it, and when you do, let me know.
You know, when your hair stop breaking, then you can retain length. I think that's the whole process. I mean, that's the idea behind the whole process, you know, to stop breaking and to retain length. But there is no way you can retain length from your, I mean, in your hair if there is breakage. So this is the last one. I'm just trying to make sure every part of the hair is covered with the paste and none is lacking food, because this is a hair food. And after this, I'm going to put my shower cap. It's really messy, guys. It's really messy, but it's okay. That's why you need to do it before you take your bath in the morning or in the afternoon or whenever. So I'm just gonna leave it for about 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like. The shrinkage is real, guys, and if you look closely you will see those white particles that I was talking about earlier. That's currently the length of my hair. I will show you a few pictures after, guys. See, that's what my edges looks like before, and look at my hair now. Guys, if you have not followed me, please don't forget to follow me on this channel.